All right, browsers. So what is a browser? The browser is just a program that allows you to look at websites. You could be looking at msn.com or google.com or facebook.com. Think of a browser as a pair of glasses. Regardless of which pair of glasses you're using, the website's pretty much the same. So whether I load, if I go to facebook.com, for example, whether I'm using Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Firefox or Opera, or if you're on a Mac, you might use Safari. Think of them as a different pair of glasses, but the website that you're looking at is pretty much the same. So I highly recommend that you avoid using Internet Explorer. It is hands down the worst. Think of it like a dirty pair of broken glasses. The reason why I say that is not a matter of opinion, but a matter of fact. Microsoft does not exactly keep up with Internet Explorer as well as, we'll use Google Chrome, for example. Chrome is a browser made by Google, and it has let's say, a better chance of loading the website correctly. So very often I'll get a phone call and the customer will say, I can't get a certain website to load properly. Take a banking website, for example. And I'll say, well, let me guess. You're using the blue E, the infamous blue E, Internet Explorer. And they'll say, yep. And I say, well, there's your problem. So it doesn't matter which browser you use. As long as you avoid Internet Explorer, I think you'll be fine. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about Google Chrome and share a funny story. I had a customer call me and he said he wanted his MSN. I said, okay, well, go ahead and open Chrome, Google Chrome. And he yelled at me and said, I don't want Google. I want my MSN. Well, it was a misunderstanding. I had already set his homepage to MSN so that when he clicks on Google Chrome down here at the bottom, instead of taking him to Google, I actually set it to go straight to MSN. And his name is Rolf. And I said, Rolf, just humor me here. I said, go down and click on the Chrome button there. And he clicked on it, and up came MSN. And he said, oh. He said, well, I thought that was Google. I said, no, Google's the company that makes Chrome. In this case, it is on google.com. But again, I set his homepage, and I'll just go msn.com and press enter. So even though we're on Google Chrome, we can make the homepage whatever we want. In this case, it was MSN. Anyway, Rolf was happy. I had to explain a few things. So I hope this helps. MSN is MSN. Whether we're using Chrome or Internet Explorer, we're just using a different pair of glasses to look at the same thing. I could probably go on. I don't want to get into too much detail as to what a browser is or what it does. I will say this, there's a common misunderstanding. Folks think that if they can't load a website that they're not connected to the internet. And I have to explain, well, what we're looking at is the World Wide Web. A web page is just a very small part of the internet. Anyway, I actually won't get into that. The main thing is, as long as you're avoiding Internet Explorer, I think you'll be fine. For everything else, call me. Thanks. Bye-bye.